Hey guys, welcome to the video. So if you've seen the title and thumbnail, you know what this video is about. I'm going to be showing you how to clip for Streamer University and start making money off of clipping it. So if you guys want to know how to do this, I'm just about to jump straight into it now. You can see CapCut on the PC and just show you a full tutorial. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay guys, so first things first, thing you want to do is you want to go onto Twitter and you want to go and find some Streamer University clippers. So if I type in Streamer University, right, there we go. So we've got Streamer University clips right here. So you want to go on here, you want to find some streamers that are in Streamer University actively now and ones that you can clip and they're eligible for clipping. So once you find like a clip that you think you can remix or make it original or make it your own, then you want to basically copy the link, download it, put it into CapCut, and then that's where you get started basically. So for example, I'll copy the link address of this video here. Then you literally just go up here and just type Twitter downloader. Okay guys, so now I'm on the Twitter downloader. This is a really good one and it's not scam or malware, anything that I know of. Otherwise I'd have about 20,000 viruses. So if you guys want to use this, you can join my Discord. I'll just put the link in the chat, as well as a full clipping guide in my Discord as well. So from here, you want to basically put the URL of the clip that you want to take. So, I mean, this one's not too good. That one's not too good. Right, this one I've already remixed, but just for the sake of this video, an example, I'm just going to take this video, and again, this is just going to be an example. So you put it into here, then you basically just download the clip right there, download in HD. Now you can see the clip's downloaded onto my PC. So then you just want to open up CapCut, and then I'll see you guys in the software. Okay guys, so now I've just chopped the clip into the CapCut software. So from here, basically, you just kind of want to make your clip original. Now, the best thing to do is just to find clipped moments from the actual stream on Kick. But just for the sake of this video, to make it super simple and to show you guys an example of what I mean, I'm just going to download it off Twitter. Obviously, you shouldn't steal clips from people, just go and find them on Kick. But again, this is just an example video. There'll be more in-depth stuff in my Discord. If you guys want to join that, link's in the description, and there's a full guide in there and everything, and a link to probably get started. So basically what you want to do is you want to have the swipe. I always add the swipe at the start of the video. It just makes a good swoosh sound, and then from there that kind of holds retention. Then you want to add a bit of music at the bottom. So I've got Losing Interest. It's just like a sad kind of tune. And then you want to create a narrative around the clip. So these are all just resources like the bread screen and the sound effects, which again I can send you guys if you join my Discord. Then basically you just want to make the clip original. So that can consist of just cutting it to the best moments. So what you want to do then is you want to cut it the best moments, and you want to make a clip around it. So for example, if I cut this here and then I crop this here and then I crop that there, and then we do that. For example, let's do this, and then I do like a full screen here. Again, shout out to Toronto Clippers, whoever you are. I'm just using your clip as an example, bro. But then you want to go to, say, captions, and you want to generate auto captions. You can do this on CapCut, super simple, and it's going to be finished in like 2 seconds, hopefully. Then you just want to go on to apply all templates. Again, guys, this is just a really quick example about how you can kind of do it and make them original. Go here, then you want to go, I can go to basic, I can change it, so then it comes up like that. And then, what is this clip? But yeah, then you can then make a clip like that essentially. Then you can add effects, transitions, whatever you guys want to add, sound effects to make your clip more original and also to hold more retention so you can get more views, which is how you get paid. So that's, you know, win-win. So after you kind of remixed your clip, you've made your clip, again, this is just a really brief example of what you do. Otherwise I can release a full editing tutorial, but I've got it in my Discord like a full guide. So anyway, what you do from here is then you would just literally export the clip to wherever you want to export it, click that export button, and then once you have your clip, then you want to go and buy an account, or you want to start an Instagram or TikTok account, which I'll show you a good place where you can do it now. Okay guys, so now I'm on Z2U. So this is a marketplace I use to buy aged accounts that I use for clipping. So you can go on here and you can find literally any accounts you want on Instagram. So you can choose by region, how aged you want it. I usually buy them 3 months aged minimum, full access obviously. And then you can buy accounts here. So you got one here that's quite cheap as well. And then essentially you buy your account, you warm it up for like a day. I scroll the For You page for about an hour. And then like some stories, like some posts, comment on a few videos, and then you change the details the day after. Again, there's a full guide on my Discord, so I won't go into too much detail about it on here. But after you've done that, then you have your account ready to start clipping. So now it comes to the important part: how do you get paid? So you join the clipping server here, so clipping.exe. I'm not sure if they're still called that or just clipping, I can't remember. But essentially, you join the server, which I'll have an invite link for in my Discord. So if you ask me for the invite link, I'll give you an invite link to the server. And then you can scroll up here and you can look at the active campaigns. Now you got IRL streaming, you got IRL content, gaming, sports, music, podcast, whatever you want to clip, whichever you think you're going to be better at, you can do. Then up in here, then you can then join Streamer Uni X clipping. So this is Stream University clipping. So then you literally just click here, join the server. You can see the pay rate here is 50 cents per 1,000 views. So every 100,000 views is $50. So if you get 10 million views in a month for Streamer University, you get paid $5,000. That's basically how you get paid for clipping Streamer University. Right now I'm clipping for Neon, but I also will be clipping for Streamer University soon. But essentially that's how you get paid. You basically would go onto the server, you connect your account. So you go over to the register tab over here, you click register, and then essentially you add your PayPal, connect your account, social media account to the bot, so you can track all the views and you can upload the videos to the bot, so they can track your views and everything else like that, make sure they're all legit. Then once you do that, you can then get paid. So at the end of every single month or bi-weekly, they will pay you out the amount of revenue that you've earned. And then from there, you can then take the pay and do whatever you want with it. Spend it on cars or whatever you want. So yeah, that's basically how you clip for Streamer University, guys. And how you can get paid for clipping for Streamer University. Now there's a full guide in my Discord below, so feel free to join that. You don't have to, but there's a full clipping guide in there. I'll have the links to the Twitter downloaders, and I've got a free course in there. I don't charge for anything. And then I'll also link the clipping server inside my Discord, so you can just join that straight away and you can start earning right away. So guys, if you want a bit more of a detailed tutorial, let me know. I'm doing a series on basically me recording my journey, making money, clipping for Neon again. So if you guys want to tune into that video will be coming out later this week, but I just thought I'd make a quick video and teach you guys how to kind of like clipping for Streamer University. All right, cheers for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, just drop a like, whatever, comment, and if you have any questions, just join my Discord below. All the links to join the server to be able to make money clipping for Streamer University is in my Discord. I've got a free course in there as well. I don't charge for anything. I'm not a guru, so you can join that. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.